Hello mga motorista! Welcome na naman sa isang Motorista Adventures na video. Today we are here at Tagaytay Highlands. Dinala tayo ni Isuzu dito para ipakita yung ating 2024 Isuzu MU-X. So today let's go over the specs, features, and everything that you need to know about this 2024 Isuzu MU-X. So tara, huwag natin patagalin pa, simulan natin yung ating walk-around review. Best unit natin for today is the MU-X LSE 4x2 price at 2,230,000 pesos. So ayan mga motorista, yung ating Isuzu MU-X, you still get the same bi-beam LED headlights, LED DRLs, no? And you got the 3D stereoscopic camera for your ADAS, Advanced Driver Aids. Dito naman sa harap, no, may dinagdag si Isuzu dito na front camera. Ayan, so that's the front camera for the surround view camera system nito. So by the way, you have LED fog lights pa din. Like the design sa kanyang rims, it has dweller highway terrain, no, from Bridgestone. And yung kanyang tire size is 265 by 50 R20. So low profile siya. You have big disc brakes up front, disc brake din tayo sa likuran. You have a step board right down there. And another change is dito. You can see the camera on the side as well. Smart entry, engine push to start, and meron din siyang remote start system. Dito sa taas, you have your roof rail. And same as always, no, LED brake lights, LED tail lights, and also unfortunately, bulb type pa din yung ating mga turn signal lights, no? So you have 4 sensors dito for safety when backing up. Andito pa din yung ating rear camera. It's offset to the left side, and yan, high mount stoplight, defogger, wiper, Isuzu na name. Now let's move on to the interesting bits. Tignan natin yung kanyang features sa loob na bago. Bago natin daanan yung mga bagong features, let's talk about what's the same. Same interior. Nothing really changed here. As you can see, leather steering wheel. You have your adaptive cruise control. You have set, reset dito. You have your mode buttons, no, for the screen right up front. You have volume knobs right here. And then dito sa ilalim, kita nyo naman, you have power tailgate as well. Cup holders dito. Controls for your power windows and side mirrors. Blind spot monitoring is still here. 7 SRS airbags, no, around the cabin, which is quite nice, no, if you are concerned with safety. Ayan. And also mga motorista, kita nyo din yung ating infotainment system, same as before. This is a 10-inch display. Now, actually, this display is a new display for 2024. So as you can see, mas bago na siya, no? Kasi mas mabilis yung interface natin. And also, aside sa inclinometer, meron tayong AVM, DVR, and settings. Now, for 2024, Isuzu MU-X now gets wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. And walang wires, diba? Okay, so that's quite nice. And if you want to charge your phone, meron siyang Qi wireless charging right here. Okay, so you can turn it on or turn it off, no? Pero kung bubuksan mo yung ating mga doors, it will automatically turn off for safety kasi may frequency na ini-interfere, no, yung ating wireless charger. Okay, and also mga motorista, aside from that, ito yung cameras natin, no? So this is the new thing, or the big thing for the MU-X. No? As you can see, it has movable guidelines. So once you turn the steering wheel, nag-move din yung guidelines. No? This is actually a really nice definition, and wala siyang mga borders, mga motorista. It's really clear kung saan ka na part dito. No? And you can also change this. You have 3D mode. As you can see, you have an MU-X right here na virtual. Kita nyo naman, it's well represented yung ating MU-X, diba? Hindi lang siya basta kahit anong kotse. Although this is just a small update. But again, it adds to that safety feeling, mga motorista, no? Pwede ka bang pumili dito kung ano yung gusto mo. Ngayon, naka-satin, pearl white tayo na color or splash white color, diba? Depende sa gusto nyong color. Kung gusto nyong palitan to, pwede naman. And aside from that, meron na tayong including DVR. DVR is digital video recorder. So, kung gusto mo i-check yung front and back cameras mo, you just play it, no, dito. Ayan, kita nyo naman ako, nagvi-video. So, wide screen, and then sa likod, napaka-wide din. So, definitely, hindi mo na kailangan, no, magdagdag ng dash camera dito. So napakalinis na yung harapan mo. diba? So that's really nice. Aside from that, again, wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, very easy to sync. You have Bluetooth phone, navigation, andyan pa din. So most likely the same lang talaga siya as before. Now dito naman sa ilalim, you have dual zone climate control, and there's a new button here for the AVM. You can push this. Camera appears dito sa ating screen. And then auxiliary, ayan, same pa rin as before, type A port. And you have 12-volt accessory outlet here. And yung ating transmission is 6-speed automatic. Meron tayong traction control, hill descent control, electronic parking brake with auto brake hold, leather armrest, and yan, di ba, mga compartments natin, no, very well appointed. Dito naman is same as before, nothing changed, no, mga incandescent, no. Sana sa next version ito LED na siya. So meron tayong mga vanity mirrors for the driver and also for the passenger. Now, as I've mentioned, no, itong mga MUX na to, I really like the leather. It's soft, it's supportive, and hindi siya stiff, no. So napakaganda niya upuan, and on long journeys talagang comfortable siya. Okay, so dito sa likod, one thing na appreciate ko talaga sa MUX nung first na lend out ko dito is the amount of space dito sa likod, and meron siyang charger dito sa likod, and as you can see, yan, household outlet, diba? So kung meron kang charger sa phone mo, gusto mo mag fast charging, buksan mo lang to, plug in mo yung charger mo dito, then wala nang problema. That's really nice. And then meron kang USB type A on the upper part and the lower part. You have 4 kilogram hook. It's quite nice as well. And yan, you can recline the seats na dito sa likuran, which is also really nice. Now meron din tayong mga air vents here, and then meron tayong space dito sa likod. If you watch my previous video about regarding the MUX, yung na-miss ko talaga is yung 360 camera, and it's here. That's it, mga motorista, for the update for the Isuzu MUX. Minor update, tech upgrade siya than before. So again, it's quality of life siya na kung ayaw mo na magulo yung interior mo, di ba? You have wireless CarPlay. Kung gusto mo naman na merong dashcam, meron ng built-in. Kung gusto mo yung 360 camera na functionality, kita mo na yung mga sides mo, and then meron din siyang pag nagte-turn signal lights ka, the cameras also appear on either sides, no, para makita mo yung blind spot mo. So that's really nice as well. So ayan, mga motorista, that's it, no, for our MUX. Now if you have any questions regarding the MUX, let me know down sa ating comments. And as always, mga motorista, hit the like button, subscribe, click that notification bell for more videos in the channel. Once again, this is Adrian. You are watching Motorista Adventures, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.